this is an instructional video for Old McDonald, song number 55 in the Brown Book. Let's make sure in this piece that we get our third finger G in tune. That is third finger on the D string right here. Third finger. Many of you have a green tape. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna set my metronome on. Violin is up. Thumb is pointing toward the ceiling with some space above the thumb. My left arm is away from the side of my body. Prepare my bow arm, and I put my third finger on the D string, and my bow is at the frog, resting on the D string. Let's start after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat to the beginning. All the way to the tip. Now second line, full bow. Up bow. The frog down bow. Up bow. So make sure when you practice this piece that you are using an entire length of the bow from the frog to the tip and from the tip to the frog. The half notes are the notes that are not colored in like this. That gets 2 beats, and the whole notes right here and here, they get total of 4 beats.